Okay, so how to make a blank box? Big blank box. So you need like a very like thickish cardboardish thing.
How to make
And
a blank
paper.
box and how we cover and that stuff.
And I'll sketch it out
Finished.
and draw it like this and cut it out. I cut it out. Let's do it. And then boom. Cut it out. And then just glue it together with a glue stick or tape it together. It's your choice. Okay, now make the squishy or anything like the actual prize side. I'm drawing a bunny. One of the prizes from the back. Probably the rarest or thing because it's nearly Easter, so why not a bunny? And also I'm doing an egg to match. Okay, so I'm just cutting out this egg, and this is also a voiceover, not really the actual thing. Anyways,
Oh no, I've got to
cutting,
Save it now.
cutting, still cutting very much, cutting, taping. Forgot to tape something. And taping, still taping, very much taping, cutting off the excess bits. And also this video is for my teacher at school. And also this is why I always do my homework later. I got crafts to do. Anyways, this is the process of cutting it out. Again. Just the process. And then you get your little bunny or anything. And it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this. So like you put the thing on. Hatch. So tape. Make it into like a double-sided-ish tape. Put on the back of that. Stick your bunny there. It's gonna come off like this. Boom. 2 ears. Oh no, stuck it. No. Bam. To little bunny. It's a hard time. Anyway. And then I don't know what to do. So cut like one strip of paper. It can be equal, it cannot be equal. And then like just like cut it to the length you want it. And then tape it on each side and do the same for both of them. I'm only doing one right now. Okay, put that one on there, that one on there. Waiting. Still waiting. And put that tape on there. Put it there and then get the other piece with the other piece. Other piece, other piece, other piece. Other piece, found the other piece.
In the whole entire eternity.
Okay. Why am I taking so long? Then put it like that. Then there. Boom. Stick it. Tape's not taping. Oh, that's cute. And then the same for the other side. Me processing how to do it to the other side too. Anyways. And then do the same exact thing with the side too. First take the top, then just get that thing over there. Like get the shell there. Tape it as well again. And then boom, just open and close it.
The whole thing because no one thinks squishing it.
This is taking forever. And then tape it like that. And then
This.
3, 2, 1, boom. And then you can like pop it at the end. You can even rip it because it didn't tape that bit yet. And then double side the tape again. Get the bunny. Stick the bunny to there. Where's the bunny? Bunny. There. And it's like open and close. Hatch.
Boom.
And that's your prize. And that's your rabbit thing. And then get the black box and put it in there. I'm just gonna tape the edges because they will not close. And so I think it's gonna cut it open. Meow. Airplane. And that's all. Bye bye. Happy Easter.